So I've been working on some projects right now. We have snowplows for Thomas, Gordon, James, even for Spencer. I've seen a picture of Spencer with a black snowplow. Battery cover for Gordon. For this, they have a special battery cover, this kind of James. And we have another Gordon, Henry, and I'm working on where is it? Right here. Excuse my mess. Battery cover for this guy here. So I'm gonna post. I'm just doing a quick update. Here's antenna working, and I hope I can. Where is it? Yeah, I made some battery cover for those guys over there. I'll keep you updated soon. They look nice.